Hi everyone, I'm Gina with the CalFresh Healthy Living Program, and today we're going to be making a very classic healthy snack, ants on a log. This may be familiar to you. There's lots of different variations you can do with it, but today we're going with the classic. So it's really simple. There's only 3 ingredients that you need: celery, some peanut butter, you can do crunchy or creamy, and then some raisins. So the first thing that you're going to do is wash your celery, and then we're just going to cut it in half. So this has already been washed, and then we're just going to take our stalk of celery, cut off the end, both sides. We don't need that. And then we're going to take that celery stalk and cut it to whatever size you would kind of want for your snack. So this one's kind of long. I think I'm going to do 3 pieces. There we go. And then we're just going to take our peanut butter. Today we're using just a creamy peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you could do sun butter. Almond butter is another great choice. There's lots of variations out there. So you're just going to take it and fill the inside of your piece of celery. I'll do that with all 3. And this is a really easy, fun snack that you can do with kids. They can help along pretty much every step of the way. So peanut butter is a really great source of plant-based protein, so this is a really healthy snack to make sure you're getting your protein and lots of other healthy fats too. So once you've added your peanut butter, the last step is just to add our raisins. This is what we're calling our ants, for the ants on a log. If you don't have raisins, you could also do dried cranberries. Maybe you could even chop up like dried apricots, or some other dried fruit would be delicious too. So we're just gonna finish up right here. Add the last few raisins, a little more, and there you have it. This is our ants on a log, and we're all done.